Hello one and all, thank you cruisers for embarking on our daily cruise news updates. We've got 4 stories lined up for you today, including an upgraded Carnival ship delayed, sad news on Ultimate World Cruise, and Carnival orders new XL mega ship. So join us as we explore these stories and more, courtesy of cruisehive.com. During Royal Caribbean International's World Cruise aboard Serenade of the Seas, tragedy struck as a guest passed away. The cruise line confirmed the incident, prioritising privacy for the deceased and their family. While details remain undisclosed, the ship, hosting approximately 800 passengers, continues its journey since departing from Miami in Florida on December the 10th, 2023. Scheduled to return on September the 10th, 2024, the cruise encompasses 65 countries and 150 ports. As the voyage progresses, potential itinerary adjustments loom, notably concerning transit through the Red Sea and Suez Canal amidst regional tensions. Norwegian escape amid a reroute prompted by Turtle Bay Pier's damage in Jamaica resumes its original course, now docking at Reynolds Pier in Ocho Rios on February the 14th. The vessel's Caribbean Great Stirrup Cay and Cozumel voyage, which began on February the 10th, diverted after Carnival Magic's impact on February the 6th. Norwegian escape's shift from Falmouth to Ocho Rios reverts to its initial itinerary, concluding at Port Canaveral on February the 17th. Passenger shores excursions have been modified accordingly, ensuring a seamless journey amidst the adjustments. Carnival Vista, fresh from a dry dock in Cadiz in Spain, faces a one-day delay returning to Port Canaveral due to Atlantic weather. The first cruise set for February the 15th now departs on February the 16th, featuring a 2-night itinerary. Embarkation time shift by an hour, while Nassau visit moves to February the 17th. Compensation includes prorated refunds, onboard credit and flight change reimbursements. Despite the setback, Carnival Vista promises a packed schedule of activities. No other cruises are affected, with Vista poised for future Caribbean adventures post-embarkation. Carnival Corporation announces an exciting addition to its Carnival Cruise Line fleet. A sister ship to the Carnival Jubilee and part of the XL class, the new ship is scheduled for delivery in 2027. With a length of approximately 344 metres and a gross tonnage of around 180,000, the ship will accommodate almost 6,500 guests. Powered by liquefied natural gas for sustainability, the vessel will feature Carnival's signature attractions, including water parks and sports courts. Mayor Veft, known for constructing LNG-propelled cruise ships, will build the new vessel, continuing Carnival's commitment to innovation and environmental responsibility. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.